Welcome to day 2 of my extreme crochet thrift flip marathon. Today I'm transforming a pair of skinny jeans into stylish crochet panel shorts. Let's give these old jeans a second life. Hi, it's your friend Julie from Indigo Handmade Design. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. And this is all you need to transform these jeans. To cut out my skinny jeans, I'm using a pair of shorts that I'm happy with the length and using a seam ripper. Once it's cut out, go ahead and seam rip the hemming on the sides of the shorts, and then using a 3mm crochet hook and fine yarn, I'm using cotton yarn, I'm making two panels to place on the side of the shorts. And to make the triangular shaped panel, you are going to chain 7 and starting into the 4th or into the 5th chain from the hook, it's up to you. Go ahead and make 1 double crochet and then 1 double crochet in your remaining chains. To create this shape, you need to increase into each other row. So this is the first row, then into the next row you are going to start with a chain of 3, turn your work, and you are going to make 1 double crochet into the same stitch and then 1 double crochet into the next stitches until you have 1 stitch left, and in there you are also going to make a double crochet increase, which is 2 double crochets into the same stitch. Then the next row, it's going to be a row without increases, so you are going to work 1 double crochet on top of each double crochet, and then you are going to repeat your increase row, and all you need to do is to work like this until you reach the length that you need for your shorts, which in my case I've made a total of 27 double crochet rows. Using some sewing pins, I'm going to place my triangular shaped panels on the side of my jeans shorts like this, and with my sewing needle and the same yarn I'm going to sew the panels to the shorts. I've also sewn around the edging of my jeans shorts. I've already showed you this in 2 or 3 other tutorials, so I'm not going to show you how to do this. Using the same yarn and the same 3mm crochet hook, I'm going to make a picot edging, and for this I'm making 3 single crochet and then chain up 2, slip stitch into the same single crochet to create my picot. Now depends on how wide your sewing stitches are from each other. You want to make 2 maybe 3 single crochets under the same loop. I'm making only 2 single crochets under the same loop, so in between my picot stitches again I have 3 single crochets in total. And that's it. Do this on both sides of the shorts for both legs and you are actually done. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this transformation, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment. This is only day 2 of my extreme crochet thrift flip marathon, and tomorrow we're transforming another piece of clothing or maybe something else with crochet. Which makeover has been your favorite so far? Happy thrift flipping and crocheting. See you tomorrow with a new one. Bye!